nodesk.co. So you can go to the nodesk.co to post a job and also to find a job. As a cybersecurity professional, you can search for click on find a job, and then you can type into the search column security or information security. The list of jobs that are available, there will be listed for you, and then you can click on it and submit your profile or submit your CV to apply. Nodex.co offers remote jobs, so uh, it covers anyone. You don't have to be in a particular location. Geographical locations may not restrict, but the details of every job on Nodex will be given when you click on the job, and then you check out their requirements, check out the job description, check out what is expected. The details about the job, the details about the company will be available for you on nodesk.co. So you can check out nodesk.co and find remote jobs for yourself as a cybersecurity. The details of